Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone. So in the first part of the question, it is said that we need to compute the manufacturing cost per unit for each of the product produced in July 2017. So firstly, we'll find manufacturing cost per unit. So for that, we'll take manufacturing cost per unit. That is part 1. So so to find out manufacturing cost per unit, we'll take manufacturing cost divided by units produced. So firstly is supreme. So for this, total manufacturing cost is $89 plus $16 plus $48, which is given over here. 89, 16, 48, which totals up to $153. So we'll take $153 divided by units produced, that is $125, which on solving gives $1.22. Now for deluxe, we'll take manufacturing cost, that is $57, $26, and $78, which totals up to $161 divided by units produced, that is $150, which on solving gives $1.07. Now next is regular. For this, total manufacturing cost is $60 plus $8 plus $24, which totals up to $92 divided by 140, that is the units produced, which on solving gives $0.66. Now moving to the next part of the question, which says that suppose that in August 2017 production was 150 million units for Supreme. So we'll take over here second part. So here units produced for Supreme is given 150 million units. For Deluxe, it is given $190 million. Last is regular, is given $220 million. Now, what we need to find out is why might the July 2017 information on manufacturing cost per unit be misleading when predicting total manufacturing cost in July 2017? So, firstly, we'll calculate manufacturing cost with the new given produced units. So, for that, manufacturing costs, or rather say new manufacturing costs. First is Supreme is equals to total manufacturing cost, that is 153 divided by new units produced, that is 150, which on solving gives $1.02. Next is deluxe. In deluxe, total manufacturing cost is 161 dollars divided by new given units, that is $190, which on solving gives $0.85. And the last is regular. So for this, total manufacturing cost is 92 divided by 220 units, which on solving gives $0.42. Now we'll find out the misleading changes. For that, misleading in August month to July month 2017. Now, firstly, we'll take Supreme. Now, in first case, the manufacturing cost per unit was for Supreme $1.22. So, $1.22 minus, in second case it is given, we have calculated $1.02. $1.02. Now, once we calculate, we'll get 0.20 US dollars. Now, similarly, we'll go with deluxe. For deluxe, in first case it was 1.07 minus, in second case 0.85. So on solving it comes 0.23. And for last, that is regular, in first case it is 0.66 US dollars minus 0.42 US dollars, which in solving gives 0.24 US dollars, which totals up to 0.67 US dollars. Now, with this, we can say that yes, misleading in July 2017 to August 2017, total manufacturing cost per unit is 0.67 US dollars, changes made. Thank you.